Let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered how that Nike ad that you saw on Instagram later showed up on YouTube and then on the news website that you visited? No, it's not magic. It's not coincidence either. It's something called programmatic advertising, and it controls 80% of all digital ads that you see today on internet. Now here's the interesting part. Most of the people think that it's something ad tech thing. But the truth is, it's one of the fastest growing careers for people in marketing, analytics, and even non-tech background. And in next 10 minutes, I'm going to break it down that simply that you can understand what programmatic advertising actually is, how ads are bought in milliseconds, who the key players are, and how people switch careers into this space. No jargon, no confusion, just clarity. Let's start. Now imagine this. Earlier companies used to buy ads something like this. Hey website owner, I want your banner space for 7 days. Manual negotiation, emails, phone calls and delays. Now imagine that same process is happening every time in 0.1 seconds while the web page loads and for every single user every time. That's programmatic advertising. Programmatic advertising is buying and selling of digital ad spaces in real-time basis using machines and data. But don't just think automation. Instead of humans deciding where your ads go, algorithms decide which ad should be shown to which person and when. And that decision happens in real-time basis. Because behind this simple ad that you see, there is an entire ecosystem working behind the scenes to show you this ad. And that's what most beginners never understand. Let's fix that. Every time you open a website, a lightning fast auction is happening every single time. Let me break it down for you. So before the page fully loads, this happens. The website sends a request. I have ad space available for this user. An auction begins instantly. Multiple advertisers bid for that user, which could be Coca-Cola, Amazon, Flipkart, Nike, and the highest relevant bidder wins. And their ad appears on your screen. And all this happens within a blink of an eye. And here's the important part. Let me reiterate it. It's called RTB or real-time bidding. It's the heart of programmatic advertising. Now you might ask, how do advertisers know whom to bid for? That's where data enters the game. And this is where careers in programmatic become even more powerful. Because now it's not just media buying, it's AI powered, it's data driven, it's prediction, it's user behavior. And we are just getting started. Now let's simplify the ecosystem. Think of this like a stock market for ads. There are 4 main players. Number 1 is advertiser. Advertiser is the brand, Nike, Amazon, etc. They want more users. Number 2 is publisher. Publisher could be a website, an application. Basically, they have some ad space available where they want people to show their ads. Number 3 is DSP or demand side platform. This is advertiser's tool. Basically, it has 3 controls: where to show ads, whom to show ads, and how much to bid. For example, Google DV360. Now, number 4 player is SSP or supply side platform. Now, this is a publisher's tool. It basically helps website owners or app owners to connect with the ad advertiser because they want to sell their ad space. SSP helps publishers to sell their ad space, collect revenue, and connect with advertisers. Now connect the dots. Publisher to SSP to auction to DSP to advertiser. And all of this happens in milliseconds. Now I know it sounds very complex, but let me break it down. Because here's the truth. 90% of marketers struggle with this particular ecosystem of the flow because they do not visualize the flow. So start visualizing the flow. Let me show it on the screen. Now once you see it and visualize it, it becomes extremely easy and logical. Now let's discuss something which is really important. Why are companies moving billions of dollars into this particular ecosystem? Earlier, ads used to be working on guesswork, but now it's based on who you are, what did you purchase, what did you search, and what you might buy next, which means less wasted ad spend, more personalization, and higher conversions. For example, 2 people open same web page, but one sees luxury watches and the other sees Nike shoes. Same web page, same computer, same browser, but more personalized experience for each user. That's programmatic intelligence. And that's why programmatic advertising now dominates digital advertising globally. And companies love it because it reduces manual work, it improves ROI, and it can scale infinitely. And now here where your career opportunity comes in. If you're between 25 to 35, this is the part you should pay most attention to. Because programmatic is not just a tech role, it has multiple entry points. So number 1 career opportunity is campaign manager, where you run ads on platforms like DV360. Number 2 is ad operations specialist, where you fix, launch and optimize the campaign. Number 3 is data analyst in ad tech. You need to understand the data and give insights over same. And number 4 is account manager. You're talking with clients and the campaign managers to deliver the result. And now here's the reality. Most people think it requires some sort of coding language. No, what you actually need is logical thinking, basic Excel knowledge, understanding of user behavior, platform knowledge, and psychology to learn even more. And companies train you on these tools. So it's one of the most realistic switch which you can make from marketing or analytics right now, because it's mostly AI driven and data driven. But there's one mistake most of people make while transitioning their careers. This is that mistake, and that's why people fail. Try to learn everything at once. DV360, CM360, Google Ads, Amazon DSP, and then they quit. Instead, here's the real approach. Start with how ads are shown, then learn ecosystem, then tools, not the other way around. So now you understand, programmatic advertising is basically automated ad buying, real-time auctions, data-driven targeting, and massive career opportunities. But this is just the foundation. In next video, I'm gonna show you step-by-step DV360 career, real campaign setup, and salary roadmap in programmatic roles. Now, if you're new to this field, I've made an entire playlist over basics of programmatic advertising. I'm gonna attach that in description. You can start watching those videos if you're just starting up. And then you can move up the ladder by watching the intermediate series. Soon, I will be launching up advanced programmatic advertising series where you can understand the concept more in detail and in depth. Because once you understand this system, you don't look at digital ads the same way you used to. Thank you.